because they are small ones. So I think you can see how I put the bobby pin. That way you can see them. Maybe you just see them a little bit, but you can see them that much. Now I'm gonna use my brush just to make sure everything is sleek nicely. And you see, it's not really hard to make a beehive, and it depends with somebody's head, but I was a fan person of making my hair a beehive. So that's my beehive. So that's how I do my beehive. You know, sometimes we have to be proud of if you have some hair, show it. Don't just hide it all the time, and we can be proud of who we are, where we are coming from as African American people or Black African people. We have really nice hair that other races, they might be jealous about. They will really want to have them. So as you can see, this is a quick way I do my beehive, and I really love my hair. So that's how it looks like on the side, at the back, on the side, and you know, you just have to try to just to adjust it a little bit here and there. You see, I haven't have anything inside my hair. It's just my hair alone. Just to make sure you comb it up really well, put a bobby pin, then on the side brush it, flip it, put a bobby pin, the other side, flip it a little bit like twice so that you can put the bobby pin in between, and that's the results of my hair. So guys, let me get dressed, and then you see the finally look. I hope you like this tutorial and you like how I do the quick makeup as usual. And today, as I did my beehive hair, that's my natural hair. See you soon. So guys, this is my finished look. As you can see, that's how I do my beehive. Yeah, that's my nice earrings. These earrings, I bought them some years back in Africa. So matching with its top. Yeah, and that's how. Well, I might go out for dinner or just a drink with friends. Yes. I hope you like it. I hope you like the tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. I need more subscribers. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, girls. Subscribe, everybody. Please subscribe. And click the button, that bell. Just push it. That's why you know when I again going to post another video. You'll be the first one to know. So thank you for being my guest tonight, and thank you for watching. And I'm sorry about maybe the light, but I just wanted you to show you how you can just style your hair also with your natural hair. And if you like to see more of such videos about hairstyling and some, please just leave your comment below, leave your ideas, and I will try and I'll make sure I'll do some video about your ideas. So thank you so much and see you next time to next video. Bye bye.